this is just gonna be an easy little walkthrough. And a lot of y'all just stood on the sidelines. I know y'all just stood on the sidelines too, because I was watching. Coach, you know what I'm saying?
There you go, looking good, looking good, looking good. Looking good. There you go.
So if y'all want to be a part of this team, y'all better step it up. Because I'm telling you, I don't care what trends say, I'm going to put people off the team this year. I don't care.
Alright, we starting today. We put a brick in the wall today. Alright, but we got to start practicing and playing like the team we want to be in September. Not the team and not the players we are now. Fellas, you start playing, you start practicing like you want to be the team that we're going to be in the championship in September 24th in Atlanta.
Because we're going to be in Atlanta. We are going to be in Atlanta.
We got to start practicing like that.
ATL.
That's the goal. That's the goal.
City. One day at a time, baby. One day at a time.
On 3, baby. 1, 2, 3.